This is Abu Moses. The project title is Phone Repair Management System. In many small phone repair centers, records such as customer details, repair status, and spare parts are managed manually, which can lead to loss of data, errors, and inefficiency. To solve this problem, we developed a phone repair management system using C and file handling, which automates repair tracking, technician assignments, and inventory management. Project overview. The phone repair management system is a console-based application developed in the C programming language that automates and manages the daily operations of a phone repair center. The system replaces traditional manual record keeping with a computerized solution using file handling for data storage and retrieval. This project supports 3 types of users. We have the admin, technician, and the customer. Each user has specific roles and permissions within the system. Customers can register, request phone repair, update issues, and track repair status. Technicians can view assigned repairs, perform repairs, update repair status, and manage their profile. The admin has full control over the system, including customer management, technician management, repair monitoring, and spare parts inventory management. All records such as customers, technicians, repair jobs, phone details, and spare parts are stored persistently using text files. The system ensures structured data handling, role-based access, and efficient repair tracking. This project demonstrates the practical usage of structures, file handling, modular programming, and menu-driven interfaces in C, making it suitable for academic learning and real-world simulation of repair management system. Objective of the project. The following are objective of the project. Number 1, to manage customer repair requests efficiently. Number 2, to track phone repair status in real time. Number 3, to assign technicians to repair jobs. Number 4, to maintain spare parts inventory. Number 5, to provide role-based access control. And lastly, to store and retrieve data using file handling. Limitation of the system. Since this project uses file handling instead of a database, it is suitable for small-scale applications. In the future, it can be upgraded using a database like MySQL for better scalability. Technologies and concepts used. The programming language used here is C. The tool used to develop this project is CodeBlocks. The programming concepts used are structures, file handling, functions, conditional statements, and loops. And the application is menu driven. Now moving towards the main project.